Abhimanyu, the son of Arjuna the Pandava and Subhadra, is a renowned warrior in the Mahabharata war. Misfortune befalls the Pandavas and they had to spend 14 years in exile. After they finished their exile, their cousins the Kauravas refused to give the Pandavas their kingdom back. The two families went to war. On the first day of the war, Abhimanyu displays great skills on the battlefield. The Kauravas cunningly plot to use the Chakravyugh formation to capture the eldest Pandava Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira sends Abhimanyu into the formation as he knows how to get inside the army and defeat the Kauravas. Abhimanyu goes inside but does not know how to come out. The Kauravas use deceit to kill Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu will always be remembered for his bravery and valor. You can read Abhimanyu's story in detail in the Amar Kathas, Epics and Mythology series.